Make sure, hey, bro.
Bro, that's behind the scenes, bitch.
Listen.
No, edit. Uncut.
I ain't gonna say too much more until we get there.
Place your seat in the original upright position.
Arizona, on top of this big old mountain. I'm tired. You see the shirt about to come off. Hot, sweating. I already ate my tacos.
The wood blocks are tough. It's been at least 1,000 steps. And I'm just getting to the top. And I'm probably not even, damn, I ain't even there yet. Tap back here with y'all. Whoa. Yeah, that's decent. See how hard it is to walk on this shit? Oh, wow.
I'll give y'all one more from the top. Oh. We are the champions. No. Ah, damn. Inappropriate. So inappropriate. Don't do this at home. Oh shit. Champion. All right, time to go before we get in trouble. What you call this is a super death grip, right there. Oh shit. What the fuck? All right, I was in the fluids, man. I feel so disrespectful. Y'all seen that rocky ass territory, man. That was something different. I'm proud of myself though, man. I walked up here with this big old backpack. This is why you meet up with your party before you start going on adventures. That's just me though, man. I can't help it. When I saw this mountain, last view, man, I couldn't help this. How could you see this and not want to climb that, man? I love this. All right, y'all, I'm gonna catch y'all at the bottom. Boom, just like that. A mountain in Arizona, that's what this is called. Y'all know how we coming. Little song. Yeah, that's how we coming. Wow.
Yeah.
I guess we can turn up now. Everybody done rested, everybody slept, you know.
Right.
Good time, man, boy. We definitely hit those yesterday, man. Shout out to the mans from fucking Matamidi over there with the free pizza. Gotta respect that. We wanted to roll a little different, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too exclusive, but you know, gotta change it up on me every once in a while. You can't roll gas every once in a while, man. Himmies will destroy the world. And I'm gonna be the one in it. No, I'm just playing. Can we take this out though? You know, if you know what I do to Himmies, you know I can't take that out. Not responsibly. What y'all doing?
You know, I wonder if don't come with me.
Hey, that bitch did fall down yesterday though. I remember that
I ain't never knew I was a plumber.
And that bitch doing using the snake, boy, I'm in that bitch.
That shit gotta get up out of there.
That bitch. I thought I was.
My bad. YouTube, you know what's poppin', man. I am over here in the Airbnb latest. The only reason why we not outside is because I know music. I don't have to. I know I was supposed to curse, but I ain't supposed to get copyrighted either. Big lit. I'm gonna get y'all a tour of everything before I go. Careful when y'all out here trying new things, because motherfuckers clearly been up for what, 12 hours? Ooh, it's sexy in here though. It is nice and warm. Ooh, hold on. I still got my phone.
On me though.
Yeah. That's the double right there.
Wow.
That's my exclusive piece.
So this is what they be using for YouTube.
You're supposed to get it on camera, but you know what I'm saying? I can feel
But
working with a new cameraman.
You got your phone?
Yeah. That bitch can pick it up right from the phone too. Like I can show you exactly what's going on here
motion.
on the phone.
And my voice is
But I gotta
really
pull it
gone,
up.
bro.
Okay. What's your GoPro? You got 2 phones, don't you?
The other one's a work phone.
Oh, look how ashy I am.
Man, that chlorine ain't no joke.
Hey, we out here with the vibes.
That's how we coming. Arizona. Marcus always saying we ain't supposed to come out here, man. We been told him we was about to come out here deep. Fucking
Marcus.
People don't ever want to believe.
Marcus.
This nigga don't even know why I asked for his phone. I'm trying to push him in the pool the whole time.
See what I'm saying? Exactly. It's risky out here. You see what's going on? Nah, let me go back inside, man. It's getting risky out here, B. It's getting real risky.
Oh, you got your phone with you.
Oh, that's how hey, that nigga really you could have got me. I wouldn't have been prepared for none of that shit.
You need to go get something to eat, bro.
Man, bro, that little peanut butter and the raisin cinnamon bread ain't gonna cut it.
Do it, huh?
it was fire that first 2 slices, but I'm hungry.
Do it. Motherfuckers gonna make some tacos or something, bro.
First of all, let's just talk about the Tesla. I know I already did a review, but I haven't uploaded it just because it's on my phone and it's 20 minutes and I don't know how to get it off. So I will be, yeah, this is Levante's terrible driving. Y'all see this? This is why we're at 27% right now. Louie Lee. Explain that one, my G. But they got calendars, they got everything, man. This is nice. Got the charging. It's locked in right now, so you have to lock it. And it takes about 24 hours if you're not at a fast charger. You got your toy box. You got a fire, you got Mars tracks. This is the fun one. So you know we had to I'm gonna turn it right on. Elon Musk is so different for that. No, let's go. I'm gonna go Falcon Heavy. Right on the driver. And on the turn signal. Hopefully it stays.
Yeah, no, that's what we said.
How did we not hear this?
Oh shit, I'm in here barefoot and some more shit. Damn. Oh, at least it's all in there.
Yeah, we can start that shit. We're done with
Yeah, we're in a big ass trash can. People can come to mine stuff, boy. I knew she can. I didn't get that part on there, but yeah, she came around that corner a little too. You're gonna be upset. Like, nah. That shit's wild. I would have been pissed.
What's in that burning burger?
Like tight. Super tight. Look like oh hell no. Talking about you ain't burn shit. No, you burn some shit. Hey, hold on. Oh no!
What you thought you was doing?
Yeah, shit. Hey, explain that shit. Yeah, he really started the whole fire in there. Bro, that's tweaking. Wow.
It's $100,000 burger now.
Tossing this bitch around. 100,000. Yeah, you put some gold flakes on there, some
That's
truffle sauce.
$100,000 burger right there. They touched every nigga hands in here.
Solid, boy.
This nigga said, we're going. You ever had hot sauce and granite countertop? It's garbage. That tastes great.
I'm sorry.
Hot sauce and granite?
With a hint of marble floor, a glass.
Hot sauce and granite?
A little bit of salt and pepper if you didn't. Just a little salt and pepper, dude. Right on the top.
What's how
Y'all finna fall off the hood, bro.
But that nigga finna go 60.
He's finna drift in this bitch. He's finna drift in this bitch, bro. Y'all finna go that way.
Punch the nigga's head off.
Punch the nigga head off.
Hey, that nigga be in it, bro. Hey, that nigga be in it, bro. Look at him.
Just like, get off me, bitch. Voice last night. Come on, G.
Hey, video groups.
Make sure, hey, bro.
Bro, that's behind the scenes,
Everybody,
bitch.
listen.
No, edit. Uncut.
Cut.
Straight up, B.
Cut.
That's that Tesla motherfucker. That's that Tesla motherfucker. He do it again. P. Diddy, calm down. Look how that bitch going away. That bitch like, get off me.
That bitch makes that sound all.
In or outside the function, bro. I don't need to be in the function, bro. See, some people gotta be in the function to be functional, bro. No. You don't want to be that person all the time. Sometimes you want to be the person that can still brainstorm outside of it. And some people gonna be, oh, bro ass antisocial. But antisocial bro got his headband. Antisocial bro got his clothing line together. Antisocial bro got his signs together, bro. People say I'm antisocial, but not notice that I'm over here networking and marketing the whole time. Well, finally at the airport, y'all. Just wanted to get y'all a little wrap up, you know what I'm saying, as I was here. That way y'all can get y'all a little, you know, art on a cellular level. We are Stardust. Look at that. Somebody's on top of it. Miss Catherine Maxwell knows what's going on. Wow. What in the world? That one's dope. That one's one of the more creative pieces, definitely. There you go, sis. Pushing the sky. The insect wing. Complicated structure. You just gotta give it to him. It's human anatomy. I did not take anatomy in school. I switched my majors instead, but I shouldn't discourage you guys from doing so. So make sure you guys take that time. Make sure you guys learn about this stuff, man. Because without y'all smart people, we wouldn't have me people inspiring other people to become great people. Wow. That's the one thing that I think I do regret about college and stuff like that, is that they never told you exactly how many different career paths there were. Like, just in case you wanted to do art or other stuff, theater or anything like that, there's so much more stuff that you could actually do than just lawyer, doctor, teacher. So, what I would say is discover your passion and then do that. See you guys back in Minnesota.